Hi y'all, so I finished my dinner and I almost forgot to record me trying it here. The chicken is awesomely flavored. The one drawback is my crumbs did not stick very well, but it's tender, it's moist, very flavorful. Same thing with the zucchini. The breading did not stick, but it's not overcooked. Very nice. And a simple salad. Radish, mushrooms, tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, and ranch dressing. I'm hungry. I forgot to eat today. Well, I had a little bit of lunch, but very little. Please like, subscribe. Let me know what you're having for dinner tonight. And